Hey! ¿Viste eso? I'm good, but give me like 2 minutes.
I was trying, like, I had my brights on. If I was trying to.
I didn't see it.
Dude, you bodied that thing. You're lucky you didn't go down.
Is the person back there?
Yeah.
Okay, but you're okay?
I'm alright. I can drive it home. Thank you though.
Alright, we'll pray for you.
Thanks.
Hitting a full-size deer is no joke. It can easily destroy your motorcycle and hurt the rider as well. Fortunately, the bike, the biker and the deer all came out okay. A hit like that usually ends up much worse. So, walking away with everyone in one piece is about as lucky as it gets on two wheels. Deer can jump a big distance and usually come without warning, leaving you with no time to react. On roads where they are common, easing off a throttle is often the only edge a rider has.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
The entire highway was shut down for a minute after a duck and her ducklings struggled to find a way across it. Fortunately, a group of bikers didn't hesitate to steer them in the right direction.
For anybody, but it talked about finding the problem. Ah! Whoa!
Every countryside, besides its beautiful sights, also brings danger from animals. A deer or stray can step out with no warning, so on these roads it's best to scan the edges and keep your speed in check. Some dogs just cannot resist chasing motorcycles and passing vehicles. The sound and movement seem to trigger something in them, and they'll bolt straight over the road to give chase. It's instinct more than aggression.
Yo! Oh, baby blossom! Holy dude, what the Stop! Stop! Oh my god, people did. Oh god. Stop! Oh!
Oh, dude, that's so f***ed. Okay, dude, are they all... Come here. Holy shit, you're still good. Okay, all right.
This biker found a passel of baby opossums in the middle of the road. He called the wildlife department and asked what to do, but sadly, they didn't seem to care. At least he did what he could and saved them from getting run over.
No, you can't hold on to me, little guy. I'm sorry. How about you? Okay. Gotta be careful, I don't want to step on one. Oh my lord, I know, I'm sorry. Oh, that one's done. That one's done for, there's no way. So, sorry. There was a mama possum, she dropped all her babies in the middle of the road.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. There's like 10 of them.
No shit.
Yeah, like 3 of them are dead in the middle of the road, man.
Man.
Alright, little ones. You're good. You're safe now. Oh my gosh.
Oh, the mother up, so it's not going to mess me up.
A fawn got separated from its mother and ended up in the middle of the road. Wanting to help, this biker carried it into the woods, where its mother was waiting. A fawn laying still on its own is usually best left alone, but one stuck in the traffic is a different story, and moving it to the safety was the right call.
Okay, she's crouching down. Whoa! Oh, I almost hit that dog. That's gonna look good on YouTube.
Feeling devastated after hitting the bird, this biker quickly went back to help it, and he did his best for it.
Come on, little guy. Up, man.
What is that? What the is that?
After spotting deer on the road, this biker tried to get them off it, but it kind of backfired.
Hey, little man. Come on, little buddy. Here you go, buddy. Please don't go back.
Curbs are huge obstacles for turtles, and if you spot one failing to cross it, stop and help it. But be careful. While picking them up, always go from behind. A few seconds out of your day can save a life. That, otherwise, would be stuck. Fortunately, the dog is okay. This is exactly why letting a dog roam loose in the vehicle with the windows down isn't a smart idea.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
This puppy was looking for someone to play with, and this biker had a hard time getting it off the road.
Kadar sakla geziyorum burada. Çık. Bak ezileceğim burada ya. Çık buradan. Yürü. Seni burada bırakırsam sen ezilirsin. Sen buraya falan git ya. Şuraya bırakayım seni.